Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here, #1 ClickBank affiliate in the entire world. And let me ask you a question. How cool would it be to promote other people's products that you don't own and get anywhere from 75% all the way up to 100% commission every single time? If that sounds too good to be true, it is not, guys. And let me show you exactly how profitable this can be. So what we're going to do is actually log into my ClickBank account right now. So let's go ahead and log in here. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. And what ClickBank is, guys, is basically a platform where I'm able to search for and find products that I can promote, right? And so when I do this, I'm able to not only make a bunch of money, but I'm also able to have more freedom, right? So I no longer have to work a 9-to-5 job. I don't have to do things that I don't want to do. So here we are, guys, inside of my ClickBank account. You can see we have, we're doing really well. I'm making thousands of dollars each and every day consistently, okay? But I've had a killer year. As a matter of fact, let me show you how much money I've made so far this year alone. So what I'm going to do here is set my date range for the entire year up until today. All right, let me just do that right now. And all right, let me just hit go. And you guys will be able to see right here what the number is once it starts thinking. It's a lot of big numbers, so I have to think for a little bit. All right, guys, so you can see inside this account, this ClickBank account, I've done over $2.1 million this year alone. And I've done it, guys, by promoting other people's products that I don't own. I don't have to worry about customer service. I don't have to worry about inventory, but I still make anywhere from 75% to 100% commission for each and every sale that I get. And this is why I'm so passionate about teaching this system to my students and people all around the world. Because, I mean, there's no other way that you can make money online where you don't have to own a product, a website, or an email list or anything like that, and you can still make a ton of money, right? This is why I love this system, guys. So if you're wondering how I've been able to do this, guys, then I want to explain to you in this video the 3 steps it takes to have this type of success. So if you don't know who I am, guys, I'm Robbie Blanchard. I'm the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the entire world, which means that I've done more sales this year alone than anybody else on the ClickBank platform, and that's out of hundreds of thousands of people. And I've been able to do it by using my 3-step system. Now, the 3-step system not only just works for me, guys, it's been working for a lot of people. As a matter of fact, this year alone, I've been able to help out over 2,000 people this year. And then, as a matter of fact, let's hear from some of them right now. And so you can see that people just like you are having success with this system.
As you can see over the last few weeks, if you look at that, that's kind of a little table at the top there.
Sounds like a cliche, but you kind of do enjoy it. It gets a bit addictive.
You know what I earned in my 26 years in my previous job, I got here in ClickBank double in just less than a month.
Thursday, $1,230. Friday, $1,170. Saturday, $1,080. I actually can't believe that these kind of profit margins and these kind of returns are even possible.
All right, so you can see that people just like you are having success and having their first couple $100 days, which is amazing, right? How cool is it to go from not having online business to making a couple $100 in a day? That's awesome, right? So let me show you the 3-step system. So the first step, of course, is we got to find the right offer to promote. And the way that we do that, guys, is we go into the ClickBank Marketplace. So let me show you right now how to do that. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll go to Marketplace. All right, once I go into the Marketplace, all I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this search bar empty. I'm gonna go ahead and hit search. And once I do that, guys, all of these things will pop up here in the Marketplace. So these are the top offers right now on ClickBank. So we have Cinderella Solution, which are actually owned by a couple students inside of my Commission Hero program, right? We have Leptotox, which is a great supplement offer, a diabetes offer. We have another ClickBank University. We have Organifi. We have all these different types of offers, guys, which are in the weight loss niche or do-it-yourself niche or make money niche. I mean, there's all these really cool offers that you can promote. Now you can see the average sale of each one that you can do, which is really cool. So when you see these numbers, guys, this is basically money in your pocket, okay, which is really awesome. And when you see these numbers, it's like, wow, I'm getting 75% to 100% commission, and I don't even have to own the product. I just have to promote it through my special link, and I get sales, and the answer is yes, okay? So that's the first step, guys, is finding the right offer on ClickBank. Now, for me, what I like to do, like I said, is I go to the empty search bar, hit search, and any of these top offers on the first or second page, even the third page, are good offers. They're going to convert, they're going to make you a lot of money, and now you found the right offer. All right, so now that we found the right offer, how do we get more eyeballs to that offer, right? Because we need to have people to visit the offer in order to make money, right? And so here's how we do that, guys. But before I teach you that part, let's hear from another student that's actually having their first $1,000 days. So let's hear from him right now.
July 24th, $1,047.90. Things just click for me, right? Because it's so intuitive. It's the way that things are taught.
So as you can see, I'm having $1,000 days. Today I'm up to $837 and the day is not even over yet.
In this week, I have already made a little bit over $20,000. It's been a crazy journey so far. A lot of invaluable things that you teach us.
That's insane. I can't even fathom this. Never in my wildest dreams would I have thought that I could have had success this quickly.
Wow, isn't that amazing, guys? So people are having not only $100 days, but people using the system are having their first $1,000 days. So really, really cool stuff. So once again, we were talking about is how to find the right offer on ClickBank. And in order to make money, in order to get sales, we have to get people in front of the offer, right? We need eyeballs on the page. And so the way that we do that, guys, is with Facebook. And I love Facebook because first of all, it makes it so easy to target and find the right customers. And the reason why is because, first of all, everybody has Facebook and everybody spends a lot of time on Facebook. As a matter of fact, if you're watching this video, chances are you're probably on your phone or your computer and you are probably logged into Facebook right now as we speak, okay? So the more time you spend logged into a certain platform, the more that platform knows about you, which is really powerful because now Facebook knows if you're interested in weight loss. They know if you're interested in DIY. They know what you like to buy. They know everything about you. So for me as an advertiser, that's amazing because now I can take an offer, so say it's a weight loss offer, and I can put it in front of people that are interested in weight loss, okay? And that's really, really powerful, and there's no other platform out there that allows you to really laser target like Facebook does, okay? All right, guys, so we found the right offer we want to promote. We talked about having Facebook and using Facebook to laser target and get the right amount of people and the right type of people to that offer. But guys, there's one more step. It's a 3-step method in order to have success and to make this whole thing work so that you can have your first $100 day, your first $1,000 day, even your first $10,000 day. Don't believe me? Then let's hear from another student who actually had his first $10,000 day.
You can tell yesterday, June 16th, I made over $10,000 just in the one product that I'm promoting. And today I'm on track to make even more than that. But you can see up here, this week, I've made almost $30,000 in sales.
I really crushed it. I had the first $10,000 day last week. Here it's $10,000 day on Friday, and in 1 week, last week I did $56,000.
All right, isn't that crazy, guys? People just like you are having $10,000 days using this system. How cool would it be to log into your own ClickBank account and see numbers like that? I'm sure you would love to see that, right? And it's 100% possible. As a matter of fact, this year alone, I've helped out over 2,000 students this year do just that, which is super cool. So now let's get into the last part of this system, which is the 3-step system. And guys, it comes down to having the right ad, okay? And that ad is we want to pique curiosity, get people to click over to the next step, which is our landing page, right? Which is where we're going to have more curiosity. It could be a quiz or an article. And then finally, we want to take people to the offer, which we talked about, finding the right offer on the marketplace, right? If you do those 3 things, that is all you need to do to have massive success. Now, obviously there's a ton of more information that goes into it. I can't cover it all in this video, but that is how it works, guys. So essentially we find the right offer, okay? Then we go on to Facebook and we send traffic, we call it traffic, getting people to the offer. And then we do that by using the ad landing page offer 3-step method, all right? Now guys, if you wanna learn how to actually do this for yourself so that you can have your first $100 day or your first $1,000 day or even your first $10,000 day, then what I would love to have you guys do is schedule a call, a strategy call with my team. Now on this strategy call, my team is gonna walk you through every step of the way to show you exactly how this method works and to tell you more about my Commission Hero system. And this is great, guys, because if you're really tired of the 9-to-5 job, you've been trying to make money online, but you just don't know how, you don't know where to go, then guys, we have a proven track record of just success story after success story of average people who have 0 experience online before, that are having massive success. And this massive success is making and changing their lives, right? So we have people that have been able to quit their job, take their kids on vacation when they couldn't do it, and a lot of other things that this system provides in terms of freedom, right? So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, guys, then I would love to invite you to go ahead and schedule a free strategy call with my team. My team is super happy and excited to get your call because they're going to show you exactly how to use this Commission Hero system to make big money online so that you can have success too. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and click that link somewhere on this page and schedule your strategy call, and I'll see you soon.